Ever feel like your car's back seat is shrinking? Juggling kids, car seats, and groceries, space just disappears. I used to dread road trips. 3 kids, 2 car seats, chaos. Fitting everything in, nearly impossible. But then I found the Graco Slimfit 3-in-1 car seat. This car seat actually grows with your child. From tiny newborn to big kid booster, one seat does it all. Rear facing harness for infants, forward facing for toddlers. And then, high back booster for older kids up to 100 pounds. No more buying a new seat every year. Here's the best part, it's ultra slim. Dual cup holders rotate away, saves 10% more space. Now, fitting 3 seats in my back row? Easy. Perfect for families with multiple kids or small cars. Let's talk about safety, because that's non negotiable. Graco ProtectPlus engineered for the newest safety standards. Side impact tested, steel reinforced frame, 5-point harness. That peace of mind? Priceless. Adjusting the seat is a breeze, no more wrestling with straps or rethreading harnesses. Just one motion adjusts both headrest and harness. 10 headrest positions, always the right fit as they grow. 4 recline settings keep your child comfy and secure. Installation? Honestly, it's my favorite part. Push button in right latch clicks in just 1 second. You hear the click, you know it's secure. No more second guessing if the seat is installed right. Harness storage keeps everything tidy in booster mode. Removable, machine washable cover for easy cleanups. Because, let's face it, kids are messy. Check out how slim this seat looks in my car. 3 across? No problem. Even in my compact SUV. Kids have their own space, no more elbow fights. Cup holders out for drinks, tucked in for extra room. Watch how simple it is to adjust the headrest. Just lift and slide, done in seconds. Switching from rear facing to forward facing? Super simple. No complicated steps or extra parts. Recline options mean naps on the go are actually comfy. My toddler loves the cozy fit, and so do I. Steel frame gives me confidence it'll last for years. Seriously, up to 10 years of use from one seat. No more cluttering the garage with old car seats. The level indicator takes the guesswork out of installation. I can see at a glance if it's just right. If you're tired of bulky, complicated car seats, the Graco Slimfit is a total game changer. It's perfect for growing families or anyone short on space. Safety, comfort, and convenience, all in one sleek seat. No more car seat headaches, just easy rides. I wish I'd switched sooner. Ready to make your life easier? Try the Graco Slimfit 3-in-1 car seat today. Give your kids the comfort and safety they deserve. And finally, enjoy some extra space in your back seat. Check out the link for more details and special offers. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Parenting is hard enough. Let's make car rides simple. Graco Slimfit, the only car seat you'll ever need. From infant to booster, it's got you covered. No more stress, just smooth travels ahead. Click to learn more and see why parents love it. Don't wait, upgrade your car seat game now. Your kids and your back seat will thank you. Safe, slim, and super easy to use. Graco Slimfit, designed for real family life. Ready to hit the road? Let's go. Make every journey safer and more comfortable. Say goodbye to bulky car seats for good. Graco Slimfit 3-in-1, your family's new travel essential.